So our next topic is multiplication of an integer. I already told you the properties of an integer in the previous video. The multiplication of integer is closure, means if we multiply two integer then their product is also an integer. The product of integer is commutative, means if we change the order of the integer then also their product will be same. The product of integer is associative, means if we change the grouping of an integers then also their product, their multiplication will be same. The most important property of an integer, multiplication of integer, is distributive property. If we have to multiply an integer by the sum of two integer, then how we'll multiply? First we will multiply a by b, then a by c. If there is plus sign, then we'll put here plus sign. If there is minus sign, then we'll put here minus sign. This is called distributive property over addition, and this is called distributive property over subtraction. Now the multiplicative identity is 1, means if we multiply any number by 1, the number remains same. So that is why this 1 is called multiplicative identity. So if the question is asked that what is multiplicative identity, then you have to give answer 1. Okay, in the previous video I told you the additive identity, that is 0, means if we add 0 in any integer then their addition will be same. So 0 is additive identity and 1 is multiplicative identity. Now the multiplicative inverse. Suppose the number is a, so we can write a as a upon 1. So multiplicative inverse is the reciprocal of the number, means just uska ulta. So what is the reciprocal of 1 a upon 1? That is 1 upon a. So 1 upon a is the reciprocal of a, and if we multiply any integer by its reciprocal, means by its multiplicative inverse, then always we get 1. a से a cancel, then what we'll get? 1. तो अगर हम किसी इंटीजर को उसके मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं देन ऑलवेज वी विल गेट 1. नाउ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स ऑफ द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ एन इंटीजर इज इफ वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग negative integer n times. What is n? N can be any natural number here. So if we multiply any negative integer n times, if this n is an odd number, then their product will be negative, and if it is even number then their product will be positive. इसको और एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं. सपोज कि हमने -1 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया. सो व्हाट इज 3? 3 इज एन ऑड नंबर, सो देयर प्रोडक्ट विल बी नेगेटिव. -1 आंसर आएगा. -1 को हमने 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया तो पॉजिटिव आंसर आएगा, बिकॉज 4 इज एन इवन नंबर. Okay, now you see some examples so it will be clear to you all. Okay, suppose we have to multiply 36 by -10. So -1 इस मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कितनी बार आ रहा है? सबसे पहले हम ये देखेंगे. एक ही बार आया है, 1 टाइम आया है, एंड 1 इज़ एन ऑड नंबर. तो सबसे पहले तो हम यहाँ माइनस साइन लगा देते हैं. अगर ये ऑड नंबर है, नेगेटिव साइंस ऑड नंबर में आ रहे हैं, तो आंसर माइनस में आएगा. नाउ 36 into 10 is 360. So the product will be 360. Now see some more example. How many negative signs are there? 2 negative signs are there, and 2 is an even number. If the number negative signs are even, तो आंसर क्या आएगा? पॉजिटिव आएगा. एंड वी नेवर राइट पॉजिटिव साइन इन द आंसर. हम प्लस का साइन लिखते नहीं हैं, तो हम नहीं लिखेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ यू मल्टीप्लाई 7 by 3, that is 21. 7 3s are 21, and 21 into 4 is 84. So the answer will be 84 only. No need to write this plus sign here. Okay. Now see some more example to make it clear. Suppose we are multiplying -3, -3. How many times? 7 times. Okay, so if we are multiplying -3 7 times, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So you multiply 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3 is 81, 81 into 3 is 243, and 243 into 9 is, we will multiply 3 9s are 27 plus 7 to carry 2187, and 7 is an odd number, so their product will be negative. Understood? So their product will be negative. In the same manner, if we are multiplying minus 3 4 times, ठीक है, 4 times मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम इसको. सो 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3 is 81, और साथ में साइन क्या आएगा, प्लस का, जो कि हम लिखते नहीं है, तो सिंपली आंसर इज 81 ओनली. ओके, नाउ सम क्वेश्चंस डिपेंड ऑन द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी -8 into 9 plus -8 into 7. Now you can see here, in both the terms, what is common? -8 is common, so we will take -8 common. Then what will be left inside the bracket? 9 here plus then 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. Multiply by -8. Bracket itself means multiplication beta, so no need to put the multiplication sign here. If you are writing then it is okay, otherwise कोई requirement नहीं है. Now you multiply 16 by 8, 128. Now you see कि नेगेटिव साइन इसमें कितनी बार आया है, सिर्फ एक ही बार आया है, एंड 1 इज़ एन ऑड नंबर, ऑड टाइम्स आया है, तो हम क्या लगाएंगे यहाँ, माइनस साइन लगाएंगे. ओके, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड बेटा हाउ टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस बाय द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑल्सो? Then in next video I'll explain the division of integers. Okay, goodbye all of you.